5th grade cello players, this is a tutorial on a song called Andantino, and here's what it sounds like. Okay, so this song is based on the G scale, which we have played before, but let's just refresh our memories. The G scale starts on open G, as you know, and our finger pattern is the exact same as the D scale. So let's go ahead and walk up the G string, and we're going to play each note 4 times. So watch and listen first. G, 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 A, get ready to play, open G, go. 1 A, 3 B, 4 C, open D, go. 1 E, 3 F sharp, 4 G. Alright, so we're going to need those G string notes, so let's just quickly review. We've got open G, first finger A, B, C. One more time, that's open G, A, B, C. Okay, so our first notes are going to be on the G string. So put that bow on the G string and plop down 3 fingers for B. And we're going to play 3, 4, D, or B, C, D, go. Try it again, B, C, D, then C, B, A. Okay, let's put those parts together. B, C, D, C, B, A. Try it again, 3, 4, D, 4, 3, 1. Good, next part is B, A, G, A. Try it again, 3, 1, O, 1. Okay, let's put those parts together from the beginning. Get ready to play, here we go. 3. Awesome, try it again. 3, 4, D, ready, go. Awesome, next part sounds like this. Let's try that part. So plop 3 fingers down for B and be my echo. B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Let's combine those parts. Listen first. B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Good, then G, F sharp, E, D. Okay, let's try from here. B, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D. Awesome. Let's go back to the beginning and try all of that. So 3 fingers for B. B, C, D, get ready, here we go. Ready, 3. Awesome, let's try it one more time. 3 fingers. 3, 4, D, ready, go. Ready, 3. Awesome, next part sounds almost the same. exact same except for the ending. So let's just review that part. B my echo, 3 fingers for B, 3, 4, D, 4, 3, 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. Good, then 3, 4, D, E, F sharp, G, and then hop over to C, B, A, G. Okay, let's try from the very beginning all the way to there. So 3 fingers on the G string. Get ready for 3, 4, D, ready, here we go. Okay, and in this song, I'm using a special kind of bow distribution, which means that I'm using like small amounts of bow and big amounts of bow. So watch, I'm going to play on my open G string. Watch what I'm doing. Okay. Short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long. Let's try that on your open G string. We're going to play short, short, long, short, short, long, ready, and here we go. Let's try it on our D string, short, short, long, ready, go. And in this song, we want to use that kind of bow spacing in our song. So let's try the whole thing one more time with that new short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, ready, go. Long, short. Long, go. Okay, stay tuned for the second half of this song, and good luck.